Hello friends, welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how we can draft any part on CATIA V5. So let's draft this one as an example. So go to here, on the left corner, bottom corner of this workbench, it says new or Ctrl N, click on it and here select drawing. Okay, here you have to set the standard ISO. It may be ASME 3D, ISO 3D. There are different standards here. American Society of Mechanical Engineers 3D, American Society of Mechanical Engineers, or International System of Organization. So let's select this ISO. We use mostly this ISO standard. Here the sheet style should be as you want. It may be A0, A1, A2, A2, here C5. So in our case let's make a A4 ISO, and here you can select either its portrait or landscape. So in our case let's do by landscape, make it okay. Nice, this is the paper. That's what we will do, our drafting. So this is A4 paper, and go to here front view. As you want, simply click on this icon and you'll get front view, unfolded view, view from 3D, ISO, isometric view here, or advanced front view. So for this, let's make click on front view and go to window. Here click on window and select the name of the part that you wanna do a draft. So click, in our case the name of the part is disk. Here it is. So this may be the front view or at the back. This is the side view, so click on this. Good. Now it is at the center of the A4 paper, and click on anywhere out of this green line. So click once. As you know, here it is a front view with a scale of 1:1. So to get other views like side view or top view, simply go here and select projection view. You can double click here, and when you move your cursor around here, you get its side view, and here it's top view. But in this case the side view and top view are the same, so we can leave either of the two. It may be the top view or side view. So let's leave on this one and click here. Now this is unnecessary, so we'll simply click on this and right click, delete. Here it may be out of the paper, or the view of our object may be small, so we can select this dotted lines of all the views and right click here, go to properties. Now we can set the scale. This may be when we reduce this, the second ratio, the object will be decreased, or when we increase this, the first ratio, the object or the view will become large. Here the dress up, you can click hidden lines if there is a hidden line, center line if there is a center line, axis if there is, maybe if you draw circular part, there may be axis, maybe hidden lines or center line. So click OK. Here is the view. These are view features. Apply and OK. Now our object now our draft is becoming large, and all the hidden lines and center line are appeared. So here there is an overlap. You simply click on this line and you can move. Okay, please click on it and drag. Yeah, now let's give a dimension. So to give a dimension, go here and click on this icon. Here there are different types of dimensions. This is simply a dimension. This is chain dimensions. This is cumulative dimension, stacked dimensions. This is length or distance dimension. This is angle dimension, radius dimension, or diameter dimensions. As you can see here, you can select anyone as you want. So in our case, let's select this diameter. So click here. This is the diameter of the internal circle, and this is diameter of the outer circle. There is nothing else, but here there is length dimension. So click inside and select this length dimension. So you can select this to this. It is for 0. That's there is something not good. Yeah, this one is very good. Nice. I have finished. This is all about when we wanna save. You can simply click on this save, and you can write the file name or save as type. Here there is, if you may maybe want to make it a PDF or as it is, so click here and make it save. Thank you very much. I am Asma Masafa. Please subscribe my channel, and you can get very consecutive videos. Thank you. Bye bye.